Mitraya Namaha. Thank you for being in the Energy Circles. Welcome to Energy Circles VSP 1080 channel. Lend them your ears. So much to learn from them. Waiting for the call, waiting for the day, they look at nothingness with so much despair. None to speak and none to hear, no one to care, nothing to share. The wrinkles upon their face cloud away their dreams and aspirations. The past memories washed away in the waves of time. Love is what they truly crave for. Lend them your ears, so much to learn from them. They will not come to our age, but we will certainly reach that stage. Remember this. Just hear them speak, listen to them with respect and love. They might have aged, but they are the treasures of experiences. Let them talk about their past glories. They don't need your money. They don't need your valuables. They don't care to hate. They don't crave to demand even for their right. They don't have the vigor to argue and fight. Look at the wrinkles upon their faces. Look at the veins showing up upon their hands. Look at the childlike innocent smile. Try to decode the pause amidst their words. Yes, listen to them. Just hear them speak. Listen to them with respect and love. If we practice to respect our elders, we automatically earn the respect from our children, kith and kin. The vice versa is also true. Let us practice being more humble and calm. We are human and we may lose our temper at times. It happens. Very soon go to them and hesitate not to ask them a sincere apology. They may be old, but they can understand how sincere you are. They can look through your eyes and understand what you are up to. So beware, don't act before them and incur their wrath. They might have aged, but they are the treasures of experiences. Let them talk about their past glories. Lend them your ears, so much to learn from them. Bhakta Shabari waited for Bhagavan Shri Ram. She asked for nothing. She craved to give him the honor and she offered him the berries with love and care. That was her choice of a treat. Her wish to see him was fulfilled and thus Shri Ram was driven towards victory. If you could be the reason for the joy upon their faces, victory becomes your crown. I'm telling you again, lend them your ears, so much to learn from them. They will not come to our age, but we will certainly reach that stage. Just hear them talk and give them some love. They too were young and as enthusiastic as you. They too had big dreams about future. They too were confident that sky is the limit. They too were in an illusion that everything belongs to them and life is a never ending journey. But when time passed by and they were aging, they could realize that nothing comes to their rescue except the fruits of the seeds they had sown. Hence, sow seeds of love, compassion, and care. If you wish to pluck the same fruits at a later stage, do it. Just care to give the elderly people some attention and real care. Lend them your ears, so much to learn from them. As an astronumeropalmist and Vastu consultant since 1979, I had many sorrowful faces at my table, lost into solitude with no one to take care of them. They had everything that money could get them, but the warmth of love was missing. We too are no exception. Let us be alert. Let us build love and warm relationships. Let not the pride of wealth and the ego of youth blind us. The ultimate truth is, we get back what we care to give. I repeat it again. Yes, this is the ultimate truth. We get back what we care to give. Hatred and ego carry secretly their own fire of destruction and disaster. Just spend some time with them, allow them to talk, and shower some love upon them. You will be surprised. Once you do that, you will have the positive energy pumping up within you. Our ancient seers and sages have revealed amazing remedies which become great investment for our future. All we should crave for is we should not become crippled and we should not be dependent upon people who don't love us or who don't belong to us. If we want to be loved, we have to love. Do not underestimate others or ill-treat them because they are at a lower level. There are no levels except the wise and the ignorant. They fail to learn the lessons of life until they incur the wrath of the time. They don't care to take precautions until their boat is burning. They never care to be humble in behavior, gentle in their talk, respectful in relationships, and patient in their deeds. They are drunk with the ego of youthfulness and the little victory of the time. But remember, they will not come to our age, but we will certainly reach that stage. Lend them your ears, so much to learn from them. I tell you, as I regularly do, a beautiful remedy for you. Plant a coconut or a neem seed or plant and chant this Varuna Vatsalya mantra 11 times. You can do this deed as frequently as possible. Just plant a tree. Just see that you grow some trees, and while and after you have planted a seed or a plant, take care that it survives. While you are planting the seed or the plant, chant this very powerful Varuna Vatsalya mantra just 11 times. You may chant this mantra every day at home, visualizing the beautiful tree. But understand, when you plant a tree, this mantra does miracles for your future. I repeat it 5 times for you to understand. I would feel it would be better if I can even chant it 11 times, which is the power of initiation. Lend them your ears, so much to learn from them. Varuna Vatsalya mantra, chant it 11 times. Receive it with love and do it with care. Varunaya Vatsalya Kiranaya Arkayajishwaraya Vruddhapya Klesha Dukkha Pitrudoshaharanaya Manashanti Dehi Me Virupaksha. Varunaya Vatsalya Kiranaya Arkayajishwaraya Vruddhapya Klesha Dukkha Pitrudoshaharanaya Manashanti Dehi Me Virupaksha. Varunaya Vatsalya Kiranaya Arkayajishwaraya Vruddhapya Klesha Dukkha Pitrudoshaharanaya Manashanti Dehi Me Virupaksha. Varunaya Vatsalya Kiranaya Arkayajishwaraya Vruddhapya Klesha Dukkha Pitrudoshaharanaya Manashanti Dehi Me Virupaksha. Varunaya Vatsalya Kiranaya Arkayajishwaraya Vruddhapya Klesha Dukkha Pitrudoshaharanaya Manashanti Dehi Me Virupaksha. Varunaya Vatsalya Kiranaya Arkayajishwaraya Vruddhapya Klesha Dukkha Pitrudoshaharanaya Manashanti Dehi Me Virupaksha. Varunaya Vatsalya Kiranaya Arkayajishwaraya Vruddhapya Klesha Dukkha Pitrudoshaharanaya Manashanti Dehi Me Virupaksha. Varunaya Vatsalya Kiranaya Arkayajishwaraya Vruddhapya Klesha Dukkha Pitrudoshaharanaya Manashanti Dehi Me Virupaksha. Varunaya Vatsalya Kiranaya Arkayajishwaraya Vruddhapya Klesha Dukkha Pitrudoshaharanaya Manashanti Dehi Me Virupaksha. Varunaya Vatsalya Kiranaya Arkayajishwaraya वृद्धाप्यक्लेशदुःखपितृदोषहरणाय मनःशान्ति देहि मे विरूपाक्षा। वरुणाय वात्सल्यकिरणाय अर्कयाजीश्वराय वृद्धाप्यक्लेशदुःखपितृदोषहरणाय मनःशान्ति देहि मे विरूपाक्षा।